Hare Krishna. As per the sacred text Srimad Bhagavatam, Vaikuntha is defined as Vigata Kuntha iti Vaikuntaha. Kuntha means anxieties or miseries which are characterized by Janma, Mrityu, Jara and Vyadhi, meaning birth, death, old age and disease. So a place which is free from all these four kunthas or miseries is called as Vaikuntha. And the Ekadashi that comes in the Margashirsha Masa Shukla Paksha is called as Vaikunta Ekadashi and also called as Mokshada Ekadashi because it can free one from all the sins and award liberation. Several important pastimes have happened on this important day, Vaikunta Ekadashi. The first and foremost being the famous pastime of Samudra Manthanam, the churning of ocean, happened on this day. It is also the day when Lord Vishnu took the form of his feminine energy called as Ekadashi in order to kill a demon by name Mura, therefore awarding him the name Murari. It is also the day to celebrate the eternal glory of Sri Nammalvar, the fifth among the 12 great Alvars of Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya. Sri Nammalvar, although he lived only for 32 years, his literary contributions stand as treasure of love and wisdom. So it is on this day that Lord Vishnu personally came to the entrance of Vaikunta Dwara at the northern gate in order to receive his beloved devotee Nammalvar and welcome him to Vaikunta. So therefore, starting the practice of devotees entering the temples of Vishnu through the northern door, also called as Vaikunta Dwara. We at ISKCON Bangalore have made grand arrangements for all the devotees to enter the temple through the Vaikunta Dwara. So we wholeheartedly invite all of you to come to the temple and take advantage of this occasion. Blessings of their lordships, Sri Lakshmi Narayana. Hare Krishna.